Unraveling, run some tests, a deep dive into its meaning and use. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, run some tests. Whether you've heard it in a medical drama, during a tech troubleshooting session, or in a scientific context, this phrase is versatile and rich in meaning. Let's explore its nuances, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand and apply it in your everyday English conversations. The phrase, run some tests, is used to describe the process of conducting a series of examinations, experiments, or checks to gather information, diagnose a problem, or verify a hypothesis. The key components here are run and tests. Run, in this context, means to carry out or conduct, and tests refer to procedures aimed at assessing a theory, the performance of a product, or the health of a person. Examples in different contexts. Medical. The doctor decided to run some tests to determine the cause of the patient's symptoms. Technology. We need to run some tests to see if the new software is stable. Academic. The researchers run some tests to validate their hypothesis. Understanding when to use run some tests is crucial for effective communication. It's typically used when 1. Identifying a problem. When something doesn't work as expected, running tests helps identify the issue. 2. Before launching a product, to ensure a product is ready for the market. 3. In medical settings, to diagnose or rule out health conditions. How to use it in a sentence. Before we proceed, let's run some tests to ensure everything is functioning correctly. After presenting the symptoms, the patient was asked to run some tests. The phrase, run some tests, can vary in significance depending on the cultural and contextual backdrop. In healthcare, it often implies a thorough investigation that might lead to significant findings. In technology and academics, it underscores the importance of verification and quality assurance. Understanding these nuances can enhance both your comprehension and your ability to convey the right message. Run some tests is a powerful phrase that finds its place in various contexts, from medical to technical and beyond. It's about exploring, diagnosing, and confirming, embodying the essence of inquiry and problem-solving. We hope this exploration helps you grasp its depth and encourages you to use it confidently in your English conversations. Remember, every phrase you learn opens up a new dimension of language and communication. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.